Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. There's hopes that new China talks will be successful. That's a lot to ask for, seeing that it's been almost 15 months since, let me say it's more like 16 or 17 months since the tariff war really started. And today the market was a little bit opposite of yesterday. The futures did start lower and then they recovered, and now they're up about 6 cents. There's some issues with Brazil that maybe China will have to come and buy some of the U.S. soybeans, because if there's any trouble at all with Brazil, there will be a little bit of a gap. But right now we're on a little bit of a weather watch as well. And as harvest time approaches, we're going to start to get a little bit better idea on what our yields are. And at that point, then we can see the market starting to move in a direction of where we'll actually end up. Overall, though, soybeans is still relatively strong. Corn was steady today too. Futures are awaiting ethanol news right now. We're trying to see if they're going to give us anything worthwhile that could give us a little shot in the arm, and definitely corn needs it. Right now, the technicals is really kind of like governing the market right now. The objective really would be about $4, but futures are having trouble, getting any follow-through support right now. There's lots of supplies out there, and farmers really have a big choice to make. Do they start to let some of their crop go? I know that there's a number of farmers that we've talked to. They feel that if they sell it now, they're going to be selling it at a loss, so they might as well hang on to it. So maybe that lack of participation or not wanting to step in and really mark the losses will help the market to rise a little bit. Certainly everyone from that standpoint really hopes so. Now, wheat was a little bit easier. The futures are consolidating somewhat. Seasonally, the market is pretty strong at this time, and we did see a pretty good rally overall, but I think that some profit taking kind of ensued today, and the futures didn't really rise above yesterday's high. And so with that, I think a few people are taking something off the table right now. The uptrend is still intact. However, all the data is mostly bearish, so we got to be really careful about this. Is the wheat market creating a chasm that could be filled very quickly? We're going to watch and see. Still a lot of data out there. We're right in the middle of harvest. There is some weather issues, and if nothing else, there isn't any frost coming, and so it looks like that the corn and soybeans and even the wheat will have a chance to mature, in spite of the fact that we got it in the ground late. So we're going to watch that closely certainly over the next number of weeks.